finally got our first hook up here. And I promised Beto I'd tell him where we were, so Beto, that one's for you. Figure out where that one is and you know where we're at. That feels pretty good. Taking some decent drag. Can't tell if it feels like a redfish staying down. So, oh yeah. Let's see here. Let's see if we can keep him on this side so we don't have to face the wind. That's a decent one. It's a good looking fish. Alright, let's see if we can get him on. Alright guys, that's our first fish of the day here. Let's see what we got. Can't find it. We got Caesar over there. We got Mike over there, still on the boat. Got a nice redfish here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, itty bitty spot, 4, 5 spots. Ooh, 6, 7. It's got some 2 tiny spots over here. Let's see how big this guy is. Looking at about 22. Very nice. First fish. Wind picked up pretty good. It's kind of windy. So here we go. First fish in the bag, guys. Today we're throwing that 212 with AM lure, 212 rig, AM candy corn. In the bag. Alright, got our second hookup of the day on the very next cast, guys. Let's see how this one is. This one's feeling pretty nice too. This one's going the other way. Feels a little smaller than that last one. The last one was 22. They're liking that candy corn. Candy corn with that 212 rig. Still taking a little drag. Smaller. Might keep. Let's see. 20.5. Take it. Let's get this guy in the bag. 20.5 on this one. Got 2 spots on this guy. Healthy. Been eating. Let's see here. Candy corn for the win. Number 2. Number 2 in the bag. Let's do it again. Let's see if we can get 3 in a row. Alright, so we switched it up. Now we're drifting. Gaswell Flats area. Still throwing that little 212 rig. Looks like we got a little trout. Caesar and Mike.
Changed the law yet?
Not that I know of. A little skinny guy. Skinny guy. Just shy of 15. Off he goes. I don't know what I caught, but I could probably use it as bait. Let's see here. Actually, I can use it as bait. It's a biggie perch. Check that out. Mike, can't tell.
Oh, behind us?
Yeah. Nah, it's fins, but I can't tell if it's carrays or. Woo! So Mike just hooked up on something real nice. All right, let's grab a net for Mike. I'm coming. You got your reel. Uh-oh. Mexico back.
Coming back that way too.
It's a nice trout, Mike.
Huh?
It's a nice trout.
This is a big trout.
Big trout. Very nice. Oop, sorry, got you a little wet there. Ooh, look at that. That's a pretty trout. There you go. Good job. Nice and fat,
bro. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Yeah.
You're gonna get the whole net. Yep. Looks like we got some company. 4, 5, 6, 7. There's some whole bunch of dolphins out there.
South Texas fat girl.
Look at that.
Look at that.
How big was it, Mike?
22 almost.
22?
22, just shy of 22.
Nice. Good job.
They haven't changed the laws yet, right?
No.
GoPro stopper.
Alright, let's see what we got here. Got another trout, looks like. Ooh. Yep. This one's gonna be pretty nice. Nice keeper. Not super big, but woo-hoo-hoo. All right. Yes, sir. Yes. All right. AM lures for the win again. Through the watermelon color. Look at that. Oh yeah. That watermelon color. Wait, this. Got a little bit of grass out here. All right. 21. Let's see. Well, I had the mouth open. I had the mouth open. So 20 and a half. Woo! Caesar's hooked up now. Woo!
No, it's a big.
That's a keeper.
Sure. Well, it might measure. Maybe.
15.
Oh, okay. That's 16.
There you go. Got your keeper. Good job, Caesar.
GoPro's there.
I know what this one's doing. Ah, it came off. Came off right there. Oh, there you go. Mike's got one. Took my tail. You flip it. Oh yeah. Alright, looks like we got another little guy. Oh, it got feisty there. Actually took a little drag. Oh, it might keep. $15 and a half, 15 3/4. All right, we'll keep it. All right, let's see, we got another one. Huh.
Can I jump?
Nah. Nah. Let's measure it for grins and giggles. 14. Let's get this guy released. There he goes. I don't know what that is. Can't tell. You see the ripples? Oh! GoPro, start recording.
Grass.
Oh, infamous grass fish. Oh. That was a nice little jumper. It's a small one. Little guy. Swallowed it. Ooh!
GoPro.
Alright boys, I'm gonna probably need the net for this one. Yep.
You got there, Joe?
I'm not sure.
Go get it.
It's pulling kind of nice. Haven't really felt any head shaking, but
You need the net?
initially it felt like it did, but we'll see right now. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Coming in. Nope. Not ready. Not ready. There you go. Another nice one. Thank you, sir. All right. Nice hook set. Look at that. The watermelon. Minus the tail, because they took that earlier.
Oh, you've been using it like that?
I've been using it like that. Ooh, this guy's gotten hit. Look, he's got some bites. There. Hey, come over here. Looks like this guy got away. Looks like he got away from a prop, or he got hit by a something. All right. 19 and change. 19 and a quarter. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go ahead and release this one in the ice chest.